Today we are going to make mixed vegetable pickle prepared with carrots, cauliflower and turnips, and this pickle is prepared Punjabi style. Today we are going to make sweet and sour mixed veg pickle Punjabi style, and for this we'll need these ingredients: mustard oil half a liter or 500 ml, white vinegar 500 ml or half a liter, mixed veggies, carrots, cauliflower and turnips. These have been peeled, washed and wiped dry. These are 2.5 kgs net, 2.5 kilos net, and we'll make medium-sized thick pieces, round pieces of turnips, and we'll chop the carrots into quarters this way, about 2 inches long, and the cauliflower we'll make into decent sized pieces. So ensure they are dry when you make this pickle. We have 500 grams of gur or jaggery. You can take plain sugar as well. Haldi 25 grams, salt 100 grams, red chili powder 25 grams, rye or mustard seeds, these have been ground 100 grams, garam masala 25 grams, then garlic paste, or you can grate garlic 150 grams, and grated ginger or ginger paste 150 grams as well. Take a large patila or a vessel, add the oil and let the oil smoke. We need to smoke the oil and heat it well. The gas is on full. Simultaneously on another burner, we'll melt the jaggery, add the jaggery to a patila or a wok, add the white vinegar and keep the flame on high and keep it stirring regularly so that it does not stick to the patila or burn. Keep stirring it continuously and simultaneously check on the oil. We need to melt the jaggery and then keep it for 1 or 2 boils, and after that we'll put off the gas and let it cool down completely. So when the oil is hot, as it is right now, we'll add the garlic and the ginger paste, and now we'll stir this for about 4 to 5 minutes till they are roasted. Not really brown, but they should be roasted. Keep stirring this regularly. The gas is on high right now, so keep stirring regularly, constantly, and keep stirring the jaggery as well. So both these jobs will be done simultaneously to make the work faster. Jaggery is melted, keep it aside and let it cool. And while the garlic and ginger get roasted, we'll mix up all the spices together in one bowl so that it's easier to put them in as the vegetables go in. The ginger and garlic are roasted. It took about 5 minutes. Reduce the gas to medium now. Add in some vegetables and sprinkle the spice mixture on top, and then stir the vegetables thoroughly to mix the spices with the vegetables. After that, add more vegetables and the second lot of spices on top and mix it in. So repeat this process till all the vegetables are in the patila or the wok and the spices as well, and then you'll need to cook this for about 7 to 8 minutes on medium flame. We will not be cooking the vegetables soft but leaving them a bit crunchy but mixing has to be done thoroughly. And keep stirring as you do this, as you do the mixing, as you do the cooking. Remember, you need to keep stirring the vegetables continuously so that all the spices and the vegetables have an equal chance to cook. So keep turning them over by stirring them, and about 7 to 8 minutes should be sufficient for these vegetables to get cooked. And after that, we're going to put off the gas, and our jaggery water by now has cooled down. So the vegetables are done. We'll put off the gas and pour in the jaggery water. So we'll strain out the jaggery water into the patila over the vegetables, and we'll use a strainer to strain this to remove any sediments that are in the jaggery water. So strain all the jaggery water into it. Once this is done, we'll mix the vegetables with the jaggery thoroughly, and then cover it and rest it for about 2 hours. Do not close with a lid, just cover it with a cloth or a mesh, as you can see. So it's been 2 hours now. We'll remove the vegetables into a large container now. We'll let the water remain, the liquid portion of the vegetables remain in the patila. We need to dry the water. So we'll strain out the vegetables, and after that we will put on the gas and dry the water that remains in the spice mixture. All the vegetables have been removed here, and we are going to heat this on high heat till the water evaporates and only the spice mixture along with the jaggery remains in the wok or patila. Stir this mixture till the water has dried up completely. The water has dried up, just the spices and the jaggery remain. We'll put off the gas and then let it cool down. We'll cover this with a mesh and let this cool down. The jaggery and spice mixture has cooled down. Add in all the vegetables and stir well to mix thoroughly. The pickle is done. Store it in a large jar and cap it tight. Expose this pickle each morning to sunlight the whole day, and after 6 to 7 days of exposing to the sunlight, this pickle will be ready to eat. So do try this pickle. Hope you like it, and do give us your feedback. Please share this video and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.